7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, 8, 1, and 2. Good. So, basic number 1, when you do basic number 1, you normally go down. The energy goes in the floor. And when you go down, then you have to go up. While I'm going up, I will make power in the front and turn the girl and make her step back. So that's how we do this motion. 1, 2. When I do 2, I step a little bit bigger than her. And now, why? Because on the 3, I'm making this, and I still want her in front of me. On the 4, I make connection up. And now I make a little bit, while I'm doing with the leg up, I'm making with the right hand on her back also up. And I'm holding. Like this, the girl will stay while I'm doing the porté. I will finish normally on my left leg and then bring the girl forward. When I bring her back, I go myself forward and I make and 1. Good, let's practice this. She was up. I arrive here last step. I bring her 1, 2, and 3. Why is the girl doing the leg up? Because at the same time I'm always doing up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. And then I finish when I'm with the right leg forward, I just go close and let's syncopation. Good. From this, you can walk and you can experiment with the styling. Girls can go in the break back and forward instead of going up. They only go up when they want to go back. So this means when the girl goes back, they can go up on their own. I don't even have to guide it. The girl can do styling on her own. It's important when you do this kind of styling, guys, not to finish the motion backwards. Okay, always finish this when you're doing styling like this or whatever. Finish it forward. It's easier for the girl and you'll have less problems. Why? Because if she goes up with the right leg and you bring her here, sometimes she doesn't feel that good to walk backwards. Okay, maybe she's falling. Good. Other things. We can walk with the girl. Walk in the park, and then I say up and go in porté. Only with the right hand on her back, I can activate my porté. It doesn't matter on which hand. It doesn't matter on which position. I can make this and go in porté. I can make menzaïd and say up. Okay, so you can always do. When you make porté, guys, it's important that you walk down, you have more balance. Girls, you have to be straight and make power in the frame. So don't try to correct the balance. If the guy loses balance with you, he has to correct it. It happens to me all the time. I lose balance, I correct. I lose, I correct. Never the girl. This hand is important here for the girl so she feels more secure. And I think that's it.